There's many different sports card manufacturers, each with their own distinct card sets. Some manufacturers will also produce products across many different sports, while others specialize in just a few. Please note some manufacturers may have produced cards for certain sports and sets in the past. This breakdown covers what each of these manufacturers produces today. Panini is known for sets such as Prism, Select, and Obsidian. They produce cards for baseball, basketball, football, NASCAR, racing, soccer, and WWE. Topps is known for sets such as Chrome, Finest, and Heritage. They produce cards for baseball, basketball, and soccer. Upper Deck produces cards for AEW, golf, and hockey. Bowman is known for sets such as Bowman's Best, Inception, and Heritage. They produce cards for baseball and university basketball. Leaf are known for sets such as Metal, Art of, and Trinity. They produce cards for baseball, football, hockey, soccer, and wrestling. Fleer is known for sets such as Ultra. They produce cards for hockey. Futera is known for sets such as Unique. They produce cards for soccer.